Sequim city officials were beaming with pride as they showed off the city's new civic center and police station to the public. The new 33,000 square foot structure will officially open for business on Monday, May 18th. Members of the public got their first chance to take a look at the new facility last Friday, which will include city council chambers, city offices, and for the first time in the city's history, an accredited police station. And says Deputy Police Chief Sherry Crane, the new police digs are environmentally friendly.
One thing I want to mention is these beautiful skylights. We didn't order them. Apparently this is part of the LEED certification of making this building quasi, I mean it's going to be a green building. I don't know if it's going to be officially stamped a green building, but this is part of their effort to make it a green building. Lots of natural sunlight and as much, I don't know how this feels to you, but doesn't it feel comfortable in here? Mm-hmm. The HVAC system's not on. It's just naturally, wonderfully awesome in here.
Among other things, the police station will include a state-of-the-art weapons cleaning station and a weapons storage vault, which is actually a bank vault acquired from the old City Hall.
I don't know that anybody really knows the origin of the vault door, but we stole it. And we decided to make it our own. So two of our officers, Officer Kellis and Officer Wright, took this door from the old City Hall, cleaned it up, painted it black, and they did the graphics on this to make it look all good like that. So it's beautiful. And so anyway, we didn't need it, but we wanted it, and it was free.
The new police station will include a sally port where prisoners can be brought in securely to one of 4 adjacent holding cells. Crane says the new facility is designed to accommodate anticipated growth in the city of Sequim.
And you know what? If we grow, you double up. So we'll never outgrow this facility, I can guarantee it.
The last City Hall was completed in 1973 and served the city for over 40 years. Currently, the city has had to rent space in various locations to accommodate the increased needs for city services. Now, all of those services will be housed in one place. I'm Ed Evans with photographer Alan Halfhill for KSQM News.